Zimbabwean preacher Hubert Angel has sparked fresh controversy after declaring during a church service that a person he described as the successor of the president is already marked by a hidden illness and is walking but dead inside. Sanabina Mashkomdani watches Hubert Angel says VP Chiwenga is walking but dead inside. He is dropping dead after August. Don't forget to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina Pankwa in a Mobdani Kwamchinsi. Hubert Angel's exact words suggesting VP Chiwenga is inflicted with a secret illness killing him after August does deny this clip made during his World Cup prediction flop. The remarks were made in the same sermon in which Angel discussed his now widely debated World Cup prophecy concerning Portugal. Without naming the individual, Angel told congregants that another prominent figure who would emerge after August before making a cryptic prediction about someone associated with the country's future leadership. I have one in course, I have another one. Another one is coming after August, he continued. There are people I am seeing here. You think they have power. The sickness is gotten in to a degree you can see. The person is walking but dead inside, the successor of the president. Angel did not identify the individual he was referring to, nor did he provide any evidence to support the claim. Earlier in the sermon, Angel referred to a political commentator, Blessed Geza, saying he had previously told his congregation that Geza was a content creator and claimed he had predicted Geza's decline. I told you when he was dying, I respected him. I have no issues with him. Angel also rejected suggestions that he was involved in Zimbabwean political succession battles, insisting that he was not seeking regime change and denying allegations that he was giving prophetic guidance to politicians. Doma developments anobdanyo kwa Pankwa Inoi arutawa Angel. Pankwa Inoi achiwe achitora achiti. Pankwa Inoi, the person who is deemed as the successor of the president, Pankwa Inoi, has been um, marked by a hidden illness. Irpangwa Inoi is working but dead inside. Pena comment section medu mbuzi mafunguro emote kuli pamsel pena ya Angel E. Pena comment section medu subscribe or like on the bell icon.